Taxi Garage parts. Heck yeah. Let's see what we got in here. Oh shoot, you guys. Finally showed up. I'm actually really stoked on this. You guys probably can't see it yet, but I got the new Taxi Garage casters right here. We're gonna see if these things are worth $260. Is it really worth spending that kind of money on some casters? I'll tell you what, they do a very well job of wrapping their stuff. Wow, those are actually a lot bigger than I thought they were gonna be. Holy smokes. Look at the size of these things. They're huge. They're ginormous. It's my hand. Jeez. Wow, okay. That's pretty sick. Caster number 2. Like a kid in a candy store. It's too good. Okay. Set number 2. God, those things are just huge. Jeez. Those things are ginormous. Okay. And then, of course, another solid front tire because we destroyed the one that I just put on. So, yep. And then some 6 stickers, like always. Got anything with wheels, we send it. Send it Taxi Garage, and then Taxi Garage with the guy sending it on a crazy cart. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get it to installing these. I don't think it's gonna be that hard. I mean, how hard can it be to put a caster on? You know what I mean? So the hardest part is gonna be putting a new front tire on, but I'm just gonna time lapse it for you guys because I've already made a video on that. You guys probably don't want to see that again. So yeah, we're gonna jump right into it and cue me getting everything ready. Peace. Okay guys, so first things first, we're gonna pull the wheels off. It's just an Allen. I think it's a 5. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's a 5. Let's see. Yeah, it's just a size 5 Allen. You should only need 1 because I'm pretty sure they're threaded into each other. You just hold the other side and you'll be good. Just gonna take those off. Get that crap out of here. Okay. There's one. Forget about your hardware. Where'd that go? Okay. And then I think it's a 14. I think this is a 14. Let me check. Just gonna use a deep dish. Yeah, it's a 14. Wow. They're not even tight. You gotta be kidding me. That's scary. Okay. Probably nut and bolt these things because being how it's made by Razor, I wouldn't trust this. Okay, let's get that off. Boom, one bolt out. Okay, let's get this thing on. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Yikes. Look how nasty this thing is. It is crusty. Look at the inside of that. Jesus. Okay, let's pick that ball up. Okay, we're gonna clean this up real quick and we'll be back in a second. Okay guys, so you're gonna take a 22 millimeter. Skip what I just did. Don't do that. It just is a mess. You don't need to do that. I think it's for like the older version to take that off, but Just unthread this. Then boom, it's off. I'm gonna clean this up real quick, so we'll just do a quick time lapse. Okay guys, now we got them both off. A little side-by-side comparison, as you can see. Way wider. It's like 3 of stock, so I'll be curious to see if it really has that big of a difference. These things get so nasty after like a while of driving, so yeah, we're just gonna finish cleaning this up and then just put these on. So yeah, disregard everything I did in the beginning. Don't take the bolt out, you can just do this off. Just take the caster off itself. Only thing that I would say that you're probably gonna need to use is this lock washer. You probably have to use this again, so just put this back on before you put the new casters on. Got the lock washer back on there, so we're just gonna go ahead and thread this in. Okay, this new size is not a 22 millimeter, so we'll figure it out in a second what size it is. Okay guys, well it seems about impossible to get a wrench in there, so I'm just gonna leave it hand tight. It's got a lock washer on there, so I think it'll be okay. The lock washer is completely collapsed, so should be fine. We're gonna go ahead and put this one on, and then we're gonna get the swap from the front tire. I'm just gonna do a time lapse of the front tire just because I've already made a video on that. I don't think you guys really want to see that, so yeah, we're gonna jump right into it. Okay, let's get rid of this junk. In with the new freshie. Okay guys, this has got to be the fastest tire change I've ever done, and something to listen to. If you don't really care, which it shouldn't, it'll be fine. I think it'll be fine anyways. Just use a rubber mallet. I mean, the rubber mallet, you beat it, and it took me 3 minutes. Before, when I didn't use a rubber mallet and I tried wrestling with it with my hands, excuse me, it took an hour for me to get this axle together. Changing the tires isn't the hard part. It's this axle, because it's got these spacers and you got to get them in there, and it's got the spacer in the middle that you got to go through. So yeah, just save your headache and just use a rubber mallet. So we're gonna go ahead and rip this thing around, see how those new casters work, and see how it feels with the new tire. I haven't driven this thing in a while just because the car's been in the garage, but yeah, I think it's gonna be sick. I think we're gonna take this thing out tomorrow somewhere, just go shred this thing. I'm gonna order, the next thing I'm gonna order is the 48 volt battery, so stay tuned for that. I'm probably gonna order it this week. So yeah, we're gonna go rip this thing around and see how she handles. Hey guys, this thing looks so freaking sick. These wheels are so sick. It looks so much cooler. It's got like these little meats under it, but yeah, we're gonna go ahead and see how this thing rips. Hopefully it's insane because these casters are $260, so it's kind of hard to justify spending $260 on casters. But I gotta say, the looks are almost worth it. So we're gonna turn on that underglow. I don't know if you'll actually be able to see it. Let's rip this thing. It's been a while, so I might be rusty. Oh, whoops. Some minor difficulties. I forgot to plug in the battery. I only take out the battery just because it's so heavy when you're lifting that I don't want to hurt. Let's get it, guys. Gotta warm up the tire. It's a little rough. Highly recommend these. This is the best thing I've done to this thing so far. Also, another thing I noticed is, oh, what's that? No. When I had the stock tire, or not stock tire, stock casters. I don't know if it was just like a defect in the tire, but the tire would like thump when I drove it every single time. So this new tire doesn't do that, so that's sick. But these casters, Taxi Garage. I don't even know what to say. That's awesome. These things are insane. They're so smooth. It's like riding on butter. This thing used to ride like a bucking Bronco. Now it's like I'm in a Cadillac. Yeah, good job, you guys. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. This is gonna be the outro. My review on these Taxi Garage rear casters are, I 100% recommend them. Are they worth $260? You know, it's kind of hard to justify almost $300 for rear casters, but if you have the money and you don't care, then yes, 100% get these. It makes it so much funner. It even like makes it taller. This thing sits a little bit higher now. Maybe that's why the front tire's not thumping anymore, just because it's more level. But yeah, you guys, sick purchase. I'm gonna order the battery either tonight or tomorrow. I don't know. So we'll have a video coming soon on the 48-volt battery. I'll probably compare it, like see how long it lasts compared to the stock battery, see how much faster it is compared to the stock battery. I'll do all that good stuff. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.